Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 3.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A reference to Home OS was recently found in an Apple job listing, suggesting that Apple may have plans to change the software running on devices like the HomePod Mini in the future. The UK residential REIT today unveiled plans for an initial public offering on the London Stock Exchange as it looks to cash in on the UK's housing shortage. The finance minister of Norway appeared to break away from the chorus of Bitcoin critics and suggested that cryptocurrencies will at some point move past the volatility for which they're currently known.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The French 10-year bond auction will be released at 8:50 GMT, Spain's market services PMI at 7:15 GMT, Japan's overall household spending at 23:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales will be released at 1:30 GMT, Australia's trade balance at 1:30 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.